Excellent! You've come to learn how to write better strings in C#. From debug outputs to UI menus, strings are used extensively in programming. You probably have added variables onto an existing string and called it good. Yeah, we're talking about uValue. But did you know there's a better way to write strings in C#? Yes, better. You're in luck. There is. They're called interpolated strings, and they're going to be your new best friend. But how do I do it, you may ask? It's actually quite simple. If we look at the function we just had, we can change the input string to an interpolated string. Just add a $sign in front of your string, place your variables in curly brackets. That's it, you're done. I like to call this the value method. But you may ask, why should I use this? The answer? Easy. It's clean, it's efficient, it's readable. Let's compare two strings with greater complexity for a moment. The more variables we add on, the tougher the string is to read. Those addition symbols really add up. Our interpolated string though? It's almost like reading a sentence. Interpolated strings. Use them, love them, embrace them, and bracket them. You'll be happier. Trust me.